Good morning. Welcome to First Financial Bank. I'm Ken Robertson, the manager of new accounts.
Hello, Mr. Robertson. I'm Paolo Silveira.
How can I help you, Mr. Silveira?
I would like to open a new account.
I will be glad to help you with that. Are you interested in a checking or savings account?
I think I'd like to start out with just a checking account. Can you tell me what options I have?
Certainly. Our basic easy checking account is a convenient option for people who simply want to use their account to pay bills. There is no minimum balance, but we require at least $25 to open the account.
Do I get an ATM card with that option?
Of course. When you open any type of checking account with us, we give you a free ATM debit card, which you can also use as a credit card. Now, with the basic easy checking option, your money does not earn any interest.
I understand. Is there a limit on the number of checks I can write each month?
No. With basic easy checking, you have unlimited check writing each month. However, you do have to pay for the checks.
How much do the checks cost?
You get 200 checks for $12.95. We deduct that directly from your account. You can choose the style of check that you like. We have many attractive designs to choose from, and we order them for you. They will be shipped to your home address within 10 days.
You'll give me temporary checks until the ones with my name and special design arrive, right?
Absolutely. We always issue temporary checks anytime a customer opens a new account. That way, you can start using your funds right away.
That's good. I have a number of bills that I need to pay soon.
Now, Mr. Silveira, you should also know that basic easy checking comes with a special feature, overdraft protection. Sometimes people make a mistake and they write a check for more money than they have in their account.
So how exactly does your overdraft protection work?
With our plan, our bank will pay the check for you even if you accidentally exceed your balance up to a maximum of $300. That way, you can avoid being charged bad check fees by the merchant. However, you still have to pay an overdraft fee of $29 to us.
In other words, the plan protects me from being charged twice for a bounced check.
That's right. Like every other bank, we have to charge you an overdraft fee, but at least with this plan you won't have to pay a double penalty. And of course, when this occurs, you must make sure your account is back in good standing within 10 days.
You mentioned that your basic easy checking does not pay any interest on my funds. Do you offer any checking accounts that pay interest?
Yes. In fact, we have two other checking accounts that are interest-bearing. Our gold checking option currently pays 1.75% annual interest. However, it requires an initial deposit of at least $250, and there is a $6 monthly service fee charged if your balance falls below $250.
I don't think that one is very practical for me. It's very likely that my balance will occasionally go under that minimum.
I certainly understand. Then it sounds like basic is the way to go for you. Just for future reference, the third option is the first financial money market account.
And this money market account also pays interest.
Yes, it pays significantly higher interest, but with that one, there is a $1,000 initial deposit, and again you have a minimum balance, $500, as well as a strict limit on the number of checks you can write each month.
Wow! Forget it. Maybe I will consider the money market when I win the lotto and I can move my money around like a stock investor. I think I will just keep it simple and start with the basic easy checking plan.
Wonderful. I will just need you to fill out some forms and show me your photo ID.
I'd like to have my paycheck from work deposited directly into my account.
That's no problem at all. Your employer will probably ask you to submit a voided check in order to activate direct deposit. You can use one of your temporary checks.
Perfect.
I need to ask you which style you like for your regular checks, so I can go ahead and order them for you. This paper shows you all the different designs we have available. Which style do you like?
This one here with the American flag in the background is just fine. I think I have got all these forms filled out now. And here is the check for the $25 initial deposit.
Thank you. This is your receipt for the deposit. Your regular checks should arrive within 10 days. And your ATM card should come in 5 to 7 business days.
Thank you for all the information. You have been very helpful.
You are most welcome, Mr. Silveira. We are very happy that you have selected First Financial to be your bank.